Hey, good afternoon. This is Clay with Clay's AC and Auto Repair and Clay Motion here in Grand Rapids, Michigan. And this is the Clay way. Hopefully this video is helpful and you guys will subscribe, share my video. I dig this stuff, so thought I'd throw it out there and let you know what I did. So obviously this is a lot blacker and that's a lot worse. That side and this side looked identical about 10 minutes ago when I started doing this. You just need to have some proper ventilation, hopefully a fan or something to suck some of the air out. But I use this Duplicolor flat black. Pretty good stuff, worked out pretty well. They had the gloss black and the flat black. I've done this several times to cars. Just gives them that nice appearance when you get inside. You know, whenever I sell this thing, somebody gets inside it and they're like, oh man, this thing is so dreamy. You're so dreamy, Clay. Yeah, I've never said that. No one's ever told me that. But anyways, hopefully the video was helpful. God bless you guys. Remember, if anybody else can do it, you can do it too. Oh, I like it. Of course, there's a little bit of different weird shading in the pictures, and I didn't cover the center of it here. But because the seats obviously covered that, so it wasn't super important. But it took me a whole can, and yeah, it looks like you can see that, but with the naked eye, it looks pretty blended pretty well. And of course, with this being a 14-year-old truck, it looks pretty darn good for 14 years old. So now I didn't take off some of my sides, which I should have, so I don't get some overspray. But I'll just get some cloth and some brake cleaner, and we'll take that off of there. And voila, magnifico. Now to do the back. Hopefully you guys dig what I did here. Hopefully you'll subscribe, share my videos. Remember, if anybody else can do it, you can do it too. Don't be the next to them, be the first to you. This is Clay. Have the greatest of days.